I'm going to show you how to create your own Just Hyke Trailmate with paracord and carabiner. In your package, you should have received your paracord, your carabiner, and your Trailmate. You will need some tape and something to measure 4 inches. First, take your tape and tape down your carabiner. I like to have my carabiner open on the right hand side. So we're just going to tape that down into position. Oops, this way. Next, you want to open up your paracord. You're going to straighten that out and you're going to fold it in half by lining up those 2 ends. And then you're going to loop it through your Trailmate so that you have your hole open, and then pull your paracord through so that your ends match up. So you want those ends to match. And just adjust it as you need to. There we go. Okay. So now that you have that through there, you want to measure from your carabiner to your Trailmate 4 inches. So there's 4 inches right there. So I'm going to line up the 0 mark on my carabiner. And there's my 4 inches there. And I want my Trailmate to be right there beside it. Okay, I'm going to take my Trailmate into position. Alrighty. So now you're going to wrap your carabiner and you can tape it down more if you need to so that it stays. Okay, so that should be 4 inches still. Just double check. Yep, 4 inches from there to there. Snug it tight. Now, to do the Cobra Knot, you want to lay your cord on top and then slide it underneath everything and pull it through. And so that your knot goes underneath. You're going to snug that up, tighten it up. Now you want to alternate going from left to right or right to left, whichever way you go. I started on the left, so now this time I'm going across and then I'm going under everything and then snug it up. So you're going to start to get these loops on top. So now that one's on top. I'm going to start this way, goes on top. This one goes underneath. Just tuck it under and pull. And see, you can start to see the formation of the Cobra Knot. So now you just keep on going from right to left, left to right. And snug it all together. So I got these top parts going. Now I went on that side. Snug it up once in a while. Now when I get near the end, I think I have room for one more. So I'm going to do one more. Okay, and now to finish it off, I'm going to take it and flip it over, and those last two thread throughs, I'm going to pull that up and I'm going to tuck this under. want to snug wind this one through. Then you want to make sure you tighten everything up. So tighten up those last two loops, snug it up, and then you want to pull and pull. There you go. All that we have left is to trim these two ends. So we're going to trim and burn those two ends. Good. All right. Trim it at about 1/8 of an inch. Point that flame away from you. Now that's going to be hot, so don't touch it. And then I squish them. There we go. Completed.